friends, Cherie here. Welcome back to the channel, Gardening at Home with Cherie. We are back in the greenhouse sowing more seeds. Today I'm going to bring you along as I start calendula seeds. Calendula grow really easily here for me in my Minnesota Zone 4 garden. Even when I direct sow them out in the garden soil in June, I will get them to grow into flower. This year again, if you're following along with the seed sowing series I'm doing in May into June, you'll see the main reason is I really want to make sure that I'm sowing all my varieties that I have, at least most of them. I mean, I can't get through all of them, and so I have a lot of varieties that I've never grown. I also want to be able to harvest and preserve some of these for future use. And so, yeah, I'm trying to be really focused on that since I'm just waiting to transplant my vegetables, fruits and vegetables that I've grown from seed indoors. So today we are starting with the Sunset Bluff. I've never grown this one before. It says here that the plant will get about 2 feet tall. The colors of the flowers will be pink, orange, and red. They should bloom from spring to fall. Well, it's going to be summer to fall for me. And so, yeah, we'll get this opened. And I'm going to do just a column of these. Here's what the seeds look like. Again, I'm just doing a column, so 6 cells. And I put in about 3 seeds per cell. Next up, we're going to do the Apricot Beauty, the Pacific Apricot Beauty, that is. And looks like these are going to get 18 to 24 inches tall. Let's do a column of these. Our third variety is another one that I have not sown before. It's called the Geisha Girl. Looks like this one's going to get 19 inches tall, so not that tall. And let's see here. The colors are red and orange. Our fourth variety is called Nova, and again, this is one that I have not opened yet. It says here the colors are going to be orange and yellow, and the plant will get 12 to 24 inches tall. We're going to move on to a beauty that I've grown lots before. This is the Playtime Mix Calendula, and it's just a mixture of really pretty colors ranging from like soft white into the oranges. It's really cool. This one here, let's see what it says on the back. It says a splashy mix of colors and forms add flair to our favorite functional flower. Doesn't say much else, so we'll get this sound beautiful. Next up, we're gonna do the Orange King. She's lovely. I don't think I've ever grown this one before. This might be a new purchase for this year. I can't even remember. But it says tall plants produce big, double, bright mandarin orange flowers. Stunning color makes a bold statement. So yeah, beautiful. Our next variety is called the Alpha Calendula. This is probably the one that I typically sow the most. I've grown this indoors, outdoors, of course. You get large double blooms with a beautiful high resin content for use in salves and oils, or internally for tea. And so this one here, I've already started some in different areas in the garden. I'm again using these tray sowing because they'll be placed after I get my summer crops into the ground, as well as in planters and containers, and just filling in spaces all throughout my garden. And after I sow these today, I will actually go sow some more of these because this is probably the main variety that I want to grow and harvest the most of. We are moving on to the Balls Improved Orange. This is another one that I've grown indoors and outdoors several times. This one says the plant height will be 12 to 24 inches and the color is orange. Now when we do another variety that I have never grown, the Pacific Beauty Yellow. This one here, again, 12 to 24 inches tall. The colors of the blooms will be yellow. Okay, so our 10th variety is the Pink Surprise Calendula. This is another beauty. I grew this in the garden definitely last year. Can't remember if that was my first year or not. But yeah, it's really pretty. Pink tinged apricot petals. Very unique. And we're gonna wrap up with another beauty that I grew last year for sure. It's called the Strawberry Blonde, and it's beautiful. I also grew this indoors this year. I'm gonna do 2 columns of this, so a total of 12 cells. It says on the back, a new twist on the traditional calendula, soft yellow petals with a cerise color on their backs, giving the blooms a bold 3-dimensional effect. So that color combination is just gorgeous. All right, friends, so just like that, we have sown 72 cells of calendula seeds, multiple seeds per cell. So hopefully we'll have a lot of awesome plants to transplant in a few weeks, and 11 different varieties so far. Again, I'll be out in the garden direct seed sowing a bunch of these over the next few days, and I look forward to sharing updates with you throughout the season. Take good care. Bye.